everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. I do videos on lifestyle, beauty, and today I will be bringing an unboxing video. Recently, I have not been looking at getting a new bag whatsoever. Just one night when I was browsing online, I saw this bag and it really spoke to me. I know I have no excuse in getting a new bag and anyway, so I thought it was sold out. I wasn't really going to get it. Then my husband got back at me the day after and said, oh, the bag that you sent me the link on is in stock right now. Do you want it? Well, yes. So then he bought it for me and yeah, so this is what I will be doing, an unboxing video of the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette in Empriente leather. But right here, brand new in the box, not open. It just came in yesterday and I've been fighting my urge to not open it. So he's going crazy, I'm going crazy, so let's just open it. And let me just, I'm super excited. Everything's still brand new in the box. Oh my god. So here's the bag, still in its box. I've never opened it yet. So in the box, it came with an envelope. I assume that this is all the receipts. Oh, I'm so excited. And here it is. Let's open it. Oh, it's a really good size. Smells amazing. So yeah, this is the new multi-pochette in Empriente leather. It's just my first time looking at this bag, so I'm just gonna go ahead and check if there's any defect on it. And in the bigger pouch is where the straps are. So let's go ahead and take these two guys out. Oh wow, it's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and attach them. Pretty simple. It's just a little lock here. You attach it like so. That's one on. Snap the button to each side. So this bag itself is in beautiful Empriente leather. It's got the bigger monogram, so it's not the small canvas monogram that's all over. And you have one Louis Vuitton logo in the front and pretty much it, and one at the back. So it's pretty minimal and not in your face, and that's why I really like this bag. And I just find that the new chain, which they also have at the Louis Vuitton vanity, and I've been looking at that bag, it's just that I know that vanity case is so cute, but the functionality of me owning a pet and walking my dog with the bag at the same time just will not work. So I just thought that crossbody is definitely a plus. The size of this bag, the larger pouch I have here, it's of 25 centimeter in length, 14.5 centimeter in height, and the width of the bag is 4.5. The smaller pouch in the front here is 20 centimeter in length, and the height is 12.5. Then the width of this bag is 4 centimeter. So this bag is actually the embossed suppled grain cowhide leather, and the lining, it's a microfiber lining and of gold color hardware. Let's talk history about Louis Vuitton. I know that when I was younger, in my late teens, Louis Vuitton, the Eva bag, which is like a side body sling bag, that was really popular. And I remember I was telling myself, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna save all the money. And I thought, okay, that's like the it bag. I really wanted that bag. And I knew everybody had it, they use it for clubbing, they use it for a night out, and I just thought it was super fun and super versatile, and it's definitely the bag that I really wanted to get. Then once I saved enough money, I was already in my early 20s, and the new bag came out, which was the favorite. So when I was in Rome into Louis Vuitton and I really wanted to pick up the Eva bag, I think whether that bag was sold out or it was just right in front of my face. However, the sales associate recommended me the favorite bag, which just came out the season prior, or it was new in that season. I didn't think twice and I picked up the new favorite bag, and that the only difference was that favorite and the Eva one is a flap, which was the new one, and the Eva one was actually just a zipper. So I picked that one up, and I remember in my head thinking back then, I'm like, wow, I save up so much money for this one bag, and I was so proud of myself, and I was so happy. But then the problem came later was I was too scared to use it because of how much it costs, and I just couldn't justify myself using a bag. Then I kept it for 1 year and I sold it with zero use. Like, I've never used the bag and I just sold it brand new. I mean, all in all, I think I made a little money out of it because Louis Vuitton is actually a very good investment. It holds its dollar value very well. So I think a year later, I probably make like $100 or $200 on top of what I paid for. So that was a plus. But yeah, so that never really connected me with the brand Louis Vuitton because I don't know why. I just never end up using the bag and I sold it, and ever since then I never really bought another bag from Louis Vuitton except for small leather goods until this bag came along, and it just really spoke to me. I know that this is one of the newer collection that literally just came out this season, but last year they actually came out with the multi pochette, the one with the canvas, with the monogram canvas. And the difference between the multi pochette and this, which I don't own, but I noticed that the other one actually have 5 items, which is pretty much the same. So it has a detachable strap, which makes it dressier and you can dress up and down, or you can just leave it as an accessory. But the other one also has a little coin pouch in the front, which they hang. This bag is very comparable to the Prada re-edition, but it just, the sportier, thicker strap didn't really speak to me, and I just wanted more of it that I can dress up and down. So when this bag came out, it just spoke to me, and automatically I just kind of snatched it and picked it up. I was kind of skeptical in terms of getting the cream one or getting this black one because I do love like a soft beige color, but at the end of the day I think I wanted this bag for a everyday purpose of me walking my dog, and the fact that you can dress this up and down for the evening and for a night out, or even for like, let's say, a wedding reception or anywhere that you want to go. I just find that it's super functional because it's got a zipper and it's just not a flat bag, because I know sometimes I use my Chanel flat bag for like, let's say, a night out, and it's actually kind of hard to grab stuff, especially nowadays if you always have to go in and out for hand sanitizer and of course for your phone. So I do find the functionality of having a zipper pouch as a everyday bag, it's a lot more functional as opposed to having a flat bag. And honestly, like this style, you could, like I said, like this style, you can dress it up and down, and you can also use this as a little baguette type of bag. I just thought it's so cute, and it doesn't look plain. It's just enough for every day, perfect for any outfit, any occasion. And the fact that you can actually detach these 2 bags, which just makes it a bonus. And I think the bag itself could actually fit a lot of stuff. I'm pretty sure that the capacity of this bag is pretty much exactly the same as the canvas one. It's just that this is made of Empriente leather, so maybe throughout the time of usage, this might actually getting a little softer. And yeah, inside it's beautiful sway line. It's not the canvas kind, because I know canvas is almost like a fabric line, or it is fabric line. The birthday feels super soft and luxurious. Has a little pouch. And let's see if the pouch fits my phone. So it fits my phone in there perfectly. You can use this as a divider with the rest of your compartment depending on what you want to put in there. And the gold hardware, look how pretty the hardware is. Now I'm just wondering, throughout the years it's gonna have like a little wear and tear, because I know on my little key clay, that's what it's called, the key clay, that one definitely a wear and tear and the brass start coming off. So I mean, we'll see how this goes. And so far this is a gorgeous bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I can fit in this bag. And I know some people might have more or less stuff. My stuff is pretty simple because of course right now Toronto, we are in another lockdown, so technically I don't even get to take my bag out. This is what I've been using for the last few weeks. It's actually one of my favorite as well. I got this for my birthday from my dear husband, and I could not be any happier. And believe it or not, this backpack, they're being discontinued, so it was very hard to find this item. I have an organizer, which you guys can't see because it's the same color, but let's take out all the items. It's pretty simple. This is the handful of items that I have in my bag, and that's pretty much it. So let's transfer everything that I have in here into the new bag. So how I would generally divide the space, I would probably put my phone in the front pouch because it's snowing outside. I put my phone in the front because I like to have that separated and divided. And I hate that sometimes if you're to put your phone in the bag with a bunch of other stuff, your receipts or your coins and everything else just kind of falls out. So I think this is definitely a plus, the fact that I can keep my phone separately in a separate pouch. So in the big pouch, I would probably put a mask in here. Then I'm gonna leave my wallet because I like to have my wallet separated, of course, and it's just a plus. I have my hair perfume and a hand sanitizer. You know what? The hand sanitizer can go in the front with my phone. And my AirPods. That's pretty much it. I don't like overstuffing my bag because, especially with the zipper, you don't want the zipper to be distorted. So I think this pretty much suits its purpose. And it's super cute. My bag here is made in the USA. I mean, honestly, I remember how back in the day, if there's all these issues, Neverfull was actually one of the first bags that was made in the US, and a lot of people complained about it. But I believe in Louis Vuitton quality, so I think it's a-okay. Everything looks good. It looks amazing. And yeah, I just believe that the company has its own quality control, so it should be good. I just really like this bag, and when I first saw it, I really need to see it in person, but of course because of the lockdown I was not unable to shop in person, so I was really excited to finally get to open it today. And yeah, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I just want to show you guys a couple of mod shots of how I would wear the bag. I love wearing the bag this way. I just think it's super cute. Instead of having a normal strap, you can actually mix it up with the chain strap as well, and you can wear this double strap like this. One way that I definitely will be wearing, I just think it's super cute like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you can also wear it as a crossbody on both sides like that, and you'll lock it just right at the very top. A crossbody bag will look like this. It's super comfortable. I'm using the leather strap, leaving the chain strap hanging. This is so cute. Yeah, it's casual yet dressy. That's why I really like this bag. I'm gonna go ahead and detach this and show you guys how you can wear this as a separate pochette. And all you have to do is unhook this little hardware right here, and that's how you disconnect them. Have the smaller chain right now on. I think it's perfect for an evening going out, and it does, like I said, fit your iPhone right here, so technically then it'll fit everything. It'll fit multiple cards, it'll fit your mask, and it's just super easy, super chic. I love the look of this, and I think it's super cute, super casual, but yet enough to go out. And one on each side. This is of the bigger pochettes, and you know, you guys can see the Empriente leather is just so beautiful and subtle, and I really just love the look of this. So yeah, this is how it looks like with them separate. And of course, once you combine them, then you have the multi-pochettes. So overall, I do find this bag stunning and is absolutely beautiful. The gold hardware and the detailing is done so subpar, and everything is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm very glad that I went with the Empriente leather as opposed to the canvas. It's just that I find the canvas a little hard to match, or maybe because I just never really owned a monogram piece, I just deter myself away from it. So when this came out with the bigger monogram, I just think it's super subtle, and it's just more of my style when it comes to styling my everyday outfit. And yeah, I'm very happy that this has made it to a part of my collection. Overall, this bag is great quality. I mean, of course, is Louis Vuitton. It's just, although I don't find a huge difference with Louis Vuitton that are made in Spain or Europe or even made in US to be a huge difference, but overall I just noticed little detailing of glue residue that's left on the hardware. So there's like pieces of little glue residue left on the hardware itself, and yeah, and this is like the third piece of glue that I found on the hardware that I've been trying to clean off. Some of you might find that it's not up to its standard because I'm just literally using my nail to scratch off the excess glue that's on the hardware that I found. But yeah, the bag is just so stunning, and I just find it so effortless and so easy to go with everyday outfits, and I think I'm very happy with my purchase. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.